Very good question.
आप मुझे गलत क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं ना, ऑब्वियसली मैं आपको एक ही जवाब दे सकता हूँ. बोलिए बोलिए. कॉस काजल जी. थैंक यू.
I would request when you're asking questions, please अपना नाम बताइए, आप कौन से मीडिया से हैं और फिर पूछिए.
Kajal ji, over here, Sharik from Style Luna, and I just wanted to ask you that talking about Mumbai being one of the financial hub, और हर किसी का ये ड्रीम रहता है कि मतलब वो जो है अच्छे से अच्छा अपना घर ले या अपने घर में चीज़ें सजाए, बट हर किसी की बोलते हैं जो है हैसियत, या हर किसी को ये नहीं रहता कि मतलब इतने बड़े ब्रांड में आए और इतने बड़ी मतलब हाई प्राइस की चीज़ें खरीदे. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि प्राइसिंग के हिसाब से आप कैसे करेंगे उसको, और मतलब क्योंकि हर कोई एक लेवल का नहीं है.
बिल्कुल सही बात. हम चाहते हैं और ये कार्तिका का फोकस है कि हम सुपीरियर क्वालिटी वैल्यू एडेड प्रोडक्ट्स एक इकोनॉमिकल अफोर्डेबल प्राइस पॉइंट पे बेचें. ये सबसे ज़रूरी बात है हमारे लिए.
I have a question here. Yes, here.
सॉरी भाई. हाय.
I am Gurveer Singh Gulati. I am from In Fashion Business. It's a B2B retail and fashion website.
Right.
Let's come back to business. We have been talking about eyes. Now let's concentrate the eyes on business. Fantastic. I think Shoppers Stop में एक आवाज़ दी थी कोई बड़ा काम करके दिखाएगा उस ज़माने में. अब मुझे लग रहा है होम फैशन में कोई बड़ा काम करने वाला आया है. और आइडिया और इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स जो हैं और इंडियन ब्रांड मुझे दिख रहा है. बट लाइसेंसिंग के अलावा do you have a focus on opening your stores, you know, where you can, or getting into large format stores and each and everything, and going internationally also where Asian sensibilities are there? What's your focus on your exclusive store? I think that's the right way to go.
Absolutely. Thank you, and thank you so much for your beautiful blessings. Yes, that would eventually be the idea. But I'm going to let Vishal answer this in more detail. Vishal, if you could please.
Yes, see the idea is to first root your product sourcing design philosophy, and the route that we are intending to do right now is to partner with existing large format retailers to present the entire lines which are suitable for their consumer profile. So there have been some advanced level discussion with few retailers. But eventually to build brand, globally if you have to build a brand, you need to have a retail presence. So that is on the roster, but initial focus is to understand and make a product line which is robust and acceptable, because while we are doing the kind of width that we have, it's going to take a lot of effort to really do course correction, get it, and once it's there, retail will definitely be on the roadmap. So to tell you, we are looking at doing this in the 3rd year from launch.
Phase-wise growth. So first we'll just focus on the current phase and the current plans that we have. Any other questions?
Hi Kajal ma'am. Hi Gautam sir. I am Farheen from Living with Trend. I have, first of all, congratulations on launching your new venture. My question is, the home is very personal thing to us. So it's great that you are going to launch your own design, your concept. Will there be any scope to add a personal touch to that furniture? Can we customize those furniture as per the customer's need and demand?
Hi Farheen, thank you so much. Yes, I think there will be scope for customization, but like Vishal just stated, that would be once we come into the retail aspect of it. Once there is scope for personalizing and for when the product is more visible and more available, there definitely will be scope. But currently, that's not on our immediate scope of things, not on our immediate plans, because like he said, it's more important to focus on this phase of growth.
Any more questions? Anyone from the business side is interested to ask something? Any manufacturing setup, someone representing them? Okay, so I think we'll close the question and answer round. And
I'd just like to say one last thing before we end, Thank you so much for your involvement, contributions, questions, your suggestions. It's been so valuable and it's got all of us really excited, and we are so happy with so much positive feedback. Thank you.
So we have a team here, and there is a swag booth in the hall number 1. And if anybody wants to really come and explore any collaboration opportunities, so from here we will be going to the booth in some time after a little break. So you can come and interact with the team at the swag booth. Okay. Yeah, so we will invite Mr. Mukesh from, who is the Chief Operating Officer of HGH India, to come over and
energy. We also thinking home and we also think home. Best wishes.
I side.
आगे आ जाओ थोड़ा आगे आ जाइए टेबल से आगे आ जाइए थोड़ा आगे मैम आप दोनों को बोलो ना सोलो बोल टूर आप सोलो चल
पहले साथ में down.
Media and press, please see us at hall number 1, booth number seat 35 at the swag booth.
सोलो मैम मैम